Hi guys, good morning. Today is December 24 and today our fourth day here in Hong Kong. Ayan guys, and for today's itinerary, today is very special date kasi ngayon yung ating ang tawag doon lang, pinaka-highlights ng punta dito sa Hong Kong. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Ayan. And check natin yung mga outfit ng mga kasama natin. Teya. Ay unahin natin si Teya. Outfit check. Hong Kong Disneyland. Outfit check. Yan. Cutie cutie. Next. Love. Inspired na outfit. Si Wella. Ayan, yan po ang Hong Kong Disneyland outfit ni Wella. And ito naman ang aking Hong Kong Disneyland outfit. Ayan, from Shein. Rotate 360. Hong Kong Disneyland outfit. Ayan guys, andito na tayo sa loob ng Hong Kong Disneyland. Nag-avail tayo ng entry pass. Early entry pass. Ayan. Papunta na tayo sa Frozen Ever After. Disney Castle. Ayan ang ating mga kids. Ayan guys, papasok tayo ng Frozen. Ito inuna namin kasi ito daw talaga yung pinakamahaba ang pila. Oh my God, let's go! Pwede ba mag-video dito? Ay. Excited? 10 minutes waiting tayo guys.
Mamma, no dai.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
Born ready.
Andito tayo sa souvenir shop ng Frozen. Ano ba titignan nyo dito tayo?
Gusto ko makita sila.
Ayan guys, second attraction, many adventure of Winnie the Pooh.
And everyone gathered together to say,
Okay, some of them didn't say okay, but still fine. Who get injured, you get injured. Who will pain, you will pain. I won't feel anything. So, elbow inside, thank you, not on the gray area. Hello, elbow inside, thank you. Elbow, thank you, not on the gray area. On the front, first animal, what's this? Yes, it's going to splash water on us. Do you guys want to get wet? If you don't want to get wet, stay with me. No, no, no. Oh, you don't stay with me. You really want to get wet, right? Yeah, on the right-hand side is elder brother Eva taking shower under the waterfall. Same time he comes on the place of Kisara. Look at him. And come to here. Very fast, right? And then on the front here, when elephant got here, beside him, wait. Is that cobra? We better keep quiet. Better keep quiet, or the cobra will bite us. Luckily, they don't bring any glasses. But keep alert because which animal in here? Remember what they eat to grow up? They eat pet to grow up. So remember, pet stick on the chair and don't leave it for any reason. Because when the crocodile bites you, they don't ask reason, okay? Yeah, and now on the front here, the International Circus Campsite. Wow, so many careers.
Santa Goofy, it's time for you to make some magic.
Yourself a merry little Christmas.
Welcome one and all. It's time for the most magical party of all. It's sparkle, grand and bright. Mickey meets magic and friends tonight. Woody, Woody, magical party to be, you must spend it with friends and family. Family! Come on, come on, fill your heart.
The next day.
Andito tayo, lumabas tayo para maglibot-libot dito around sa ating hotel na pinag-i-stayan. And time check, it's already 12 na ng tanghali. Pero yung weather dito guys is medyo malamig ngayon. Actually, nasa 70 degrees Celsius yung
17.
17 degrees Celsius yung weather update ngayon dito sa Hong Kong. Ayan. Kaya medyo malamig-lamig. Ito, baka ngayon pa lang i-start yung winter. Ang lamig. Ayan guys, andito tayo sa park na malapit sa hotels. Ay, nabanggit naman natin sa tayo nag-i-stay na hotel. Ayan. Nag-stay pala kami sa Novotel Hong Kong City Gate guys. Ito. Tapos, ayan lang siya guys. Oh. Pakita mo alam. Ayan. Uy, ito. Ayan. Yan siya guys. Tapos, siguro, ilang minute walk lang no papunta dito sa sa park nila. Ayan, ang lamig dito. And yung mga kids namin nagbabawi ng tulog. Nandun pa sila sa hotel. Ayan. Lamig. Ito na, basketball is. Ayan. Ito naman yung kanilang court. Ayan. Okay, baka may hiraman ng bola dito.
May nagtitraining doon.
Ay, ganun. Andito pala tayo sa Tung Chung area. Ayan.
Ito, marami silang bendo.
Ayan. May bendo machine din dito sa kanilang park guys. Kaya anytime na gusto nyong uminom ng mga drinks, yan. Nice car yan. Ano to? Ano to? Ito yung ano. Ano to? Asa dalawa yung ano nila, court nila dito. Ayan guys, si Papa Ramil. Sarap ngayon magganyan-ganyan kasi malamig yung ano, yung klima, yung weather. Sige, push mo yan. Push mo yan. Ayan, fitness corner pala yung tawag dito sa part na to. Ayan. Ano yung ginagawa mo laban tawag dyan?
Upper body warm up. Ah! Increase body temperature and heart rate.
Ay, ganun. Ilang minuto ka pa nga na nagag... Ayan, ano yan?
Stretch.
Stretch ano?
Upper body stretching.
Pero hindi bagay sa iyo ganun.
Oh my God, nakatawan nyo. Ah?
Ay, ganyan. Chill na ano lang. Bench stepper. Yan yung ginagawa ni Papa Ramil. Dito mo pa taga sa Hong Kong nakuwang magganyan-ganyan lab. Ayan guys, Merry Christmas to all! Ayan guys, pauwi na tayo ng Manila. So, goodbye for now Hong Kong. See you till the next week. See ya!